Rental Ownership Woes. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. Now let's get into it. While real estate investing is a great line of business to get into in order to make copious piles of money, there are a few things to consider before jumping into the fray. This is particularly true if you're considering going the route of a rental property owner. There are all kinds of reasons that this is a good, solid investment. However, it doesn't come without a few drawbacks, not all of which are financial. It would be wise to consider these things before you buy your first rental property. First of all, if you own rental properties and elect to manage them yourself, which is probably wise unless your first property is a multiple rental unit, you will quickly discover that your life is no longer your own. You are literally on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to handle problems that may arise from pipes bursting, heating going out, electric issues, noxious fumes, leaky roofs and window sills, and countless other complaints that may erupt at all hours of the day or night. Your tenants will have your phone number and expect you to always take their calls. Second, you have to play the role of Mr. or Mrs. Mean every month when the rent is due. This is probably the least tasteful task of owning rental properties for many rental property owners, and one reason that many resort to the services of a property management agency above all other reasons. You will hear all manner of sob stories in your role as landlord, but you need to treat this like the business. Even the things about your business you don't like, such as rent collecting and, when necessary, eviction proceedings. Third, the constant need for upkeep and repair is often daunting to rental property owners. It's a sad truth that people do not treat rental properties with the respect that they would treat a home of their own. For this reason, you almost always need to paint and replace carpeting, at the very least, in between tenants. This takes work and time, not to mention the fact that the time is spent painting and replacing the flooring is a time that the property is going to be empty of tenants and not bringing in any income. Finally, there is the constant need to have the property occupied. As the owner of rental property, you will need to find new tenants when the old ones leave, because every day the property is empty is a day you aren't making money. You want to have the property filled as often as possible, and you really want long-term tenants whenever you can manage that. One way, of course, is by making sure that your tenants are treated well, not overcharged, and happy with their homes. Owning rental property can be financially rewarding, but is a lot more work than many people give it credit for being, in light of other careers within the real estate investment field that may require more work up front. Rental properties require a long-term commitment to keep the property in good working order and make it a profitable venture for many years to come. If you are considering this business and the above things are a deterrent for you, it might be a good idea to hire a property manager. If you want to learn more about real estate investing, check out the Rich Dad Summit. It's a 2-day online seminar from Robert Kiyosaki that features the tools and blueprint you need to create a passive income for life. For a limited time only, you can get 2 days of training for only $1. Don't miss out. The link is in the description below. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.